I'm going to offer you just a gentle, meditative, feel-good induction for this morning. I am in what I consider to be one of the most stunning, breathtakingly beautiful places in the world, and I can't help it but be filled up with that. So I thought I'd share a little bit of that with you. If you want, bring a sort of an intention before we begin to just look after yourself. Yeah. If there's something in particular that you need in this moment, then bring that intention with you. So, but make it a toward intention. Make it something that you would like to move towards, okay? Not to move away from. So not that you want less of something, not that you wish to stop something, but something that you would like more of or make progress towards. Bring that intention with you. And let's just have a moment. So what I would suggest, obviously this is going to be hypnotic. This is going to be meditative, and you're going to have your eyes closed. Clearly, given that that is the case, please only watch the video or only pay attention to my words when it's safe and appropriate to do so. Don't do so whilst driving or whilst operating machinery of any sort. Only pay attention to me when it's appropriate and safe to do so. With that in mind, and with your intention set. Sometimes you might find it helpful if you can get a little post-it note. You write your intention on a post-it note and you fold it up and you hold it in your hand, so that when you're in this deeply quiet state, you can remember the piece of paper. That sometimes works. Because effectively what I'm showing you is self-hypnosis, really. Find a comfortable spot. I don't know if you want to gaze at the beauty of the scenery behind me and just let it kind of loosely focus. Or if you want to gaze at a spot around you in the room, wherever you may be, but don't focus too intently upon it. Just kind of open your gaze as if you were looking through it. Taking a good deep breath. Hold that breath. And let that breath go. Settling inside of yourself. Noticing how easy it is to still your body when you choose to do so. Taking in a second good deep breath. And holding that breath. And letting that breath go. Breathing out through your mouth. Maybe breathing out about twice as long as you're breathing in. And noticing the difference in the temperature between the air that you're breathing in and the air that you're breathing out. Allowing that sense of comfort to grow. Allowing that sense of inward experience to take you wherever it needs to take you. Taking a good deep breath and hold that breath. And as you let that breath go, just allow your eyes to close, relax your eyelids, relax the muscles around your face, relax your cheekbones, relax your jaw, relax your neck, relax your shoulders, relax your spine. Relax your waist, relax your thighs, relax your calves, relax your ankles. Breathe out any tension, almost as if it was breathing out through the soles of your feet, breathing normally. Any thoughts just passing through your mind, no need to pay attention. This is a moment for the rest of you. A moment to find the peace inside of you, a moment for the inner chatter just to quieten, a moment to look after yourself, a moment that needs no justification. a moment just for you, a moment to reconnect with all of you, to relate to yourself in ways that are very, very special. Following your breathing, following the sensations in your body, following your feelings. See if you can find a place inside your body which feels most at ease. Whereabouts in your body do you feel most at ease? Whereabouts in particular? And imagine from that place of ease, imagine that spreading. Like a little beautiful ball of calmness spreading throughout, eking out into every nerve and fiber of your body. Spreading, spreading, spreading calmness. Perhaps you can notice a tingling sensation in your extremities. Perhaps you can notice the beating of your heart. Perhaps you can notice the rise and fall of your chest with every breath. Because this is a time to look after yourself, a time to be kind to yourself, a time just for you. And if you're so inclined, you can imagine what it is to be connecting with nature, to be connecting with the universe, to be connecting with the source, your God. Whatever resonates inside your mind. Your intuition, your creativity, your passion, your energy, your personal power. Connecting with your vivacity, your life, your energy. Building that energy, building that passion, building that strength inside of you, because you are all you need to be. You are complete, and your essence is strong. And so as you sit there or lie there with your eyes closed, and perhaps your eyes are twitching, your eyelids jumping, perhaps there's a sensation to swallow, perhaps a part of your body has a sudden jerk, maybe there's a warmth about you. You can focus on everything that it is to be you in this moment, considering everything it is that is not, but that is around, and that is also. And as you focus on your breathing, perhaps you can imagine that it's the universe breathing out with every breath that you breathe in. And with every breath that you exhale, it is the universe which is breathing in. The universe breathes out. The universe breathes in. Life breathes you, and you come along for the ride. And a person can always restore their batteries by focusing on their inner experience, by giving themselves whatever it is that they need in this moment. And so I want you to focus on whatever it was that you brought as your intention today. Perhaps you did write it down and put it in your hand. Whatever that intention is, allow that intention to flood through your body. If there's a question, allow the question to be released. because the solution is at hand, and the rest of you knows far, far more than you realize. And everything is changing. Bring that intention and bathe in it. If it means something to you, allow it to flood throughout the whole of your body. Allow it to expand and expand and expand like a glowing ball of energy. Allow it to focus in. Allow it to become smaller and smaller and more precise, if that makes sense to you. Allow it to direct a sense of purpose, a sense of motivation, a sense of meaning. Or whatever your intention is, give it the space to be, to develop, to evolve, to move into this ever-expanding universe. It's astonishing how still the body and the mind can become when we choose to allow it to occur. And every time that you practice in this way, the process becomes easier, it becomes more intuitive, it becomes quicker, it becomes deeper, more effective. Because you can trust yourself, you can trust your intuition, you can trust the peace that is always there somewhere inside of you. And so with that in mind now, I'd like, ever so gradually, bringing with you all the strength and peace and power and potency and abundance that is already there inside of you, to bring you back up to a state of full, present awareness. And so, because it's traditional, and this is what hypnotists are supposed to do, I'll count up from 1 to 5, bring you back up to a state of full and present awareness. But in the full knowledge that actually, if you choose to do so, you can open your eyes right now and be full and back aware just as much as you need to be. So on 1 now, feeling absolutely wonderful. 2 now, to be everything it is that is you, that always was you, that perhaps you had forgotten. On 3, being as free as a bird that soars across this tremendous, tremendous landscape. 4 now, it's like fresh spring water is bathing your eyes, whooshing through your mind, just like the most delightful river of life, whooshing through the whole of your brain into every nerve, every vein, feeling absolutely fantastic. On the next number 5, wide awake, opening your eyes, welcoming back up to a state of full and present awareness, enjoying yourself and noticing how the world has changed behind me already. Even in this 10 minutes, the sun has got so much higher in the sky and the world is waking up. I hope that's of interest. Thank you very much for joining me in this little play that I have done. It's funny when I make these videos, I have to imagine the person who's on the other end of the screen. And of course, I don't know who you are. I don't know when or where you're watching this. I hope somehow or other it helps you in your day. I hope it helps you feel fabulous. I hope it helps you relate to yourself in ways that are uncommon, let's say, that are rejuvenating, that allow you to remember what it is to be you and to become a better friend to yourself. Let's leave it at that. All right, thank you very much for watching. Take care. If you like this, I'm sure you'll find some other videos which are very similar. And subscribe. I tend to put things out a couple of times a week. They're not all from locations as beautiful as this. I'm normally based in Switzerland, but Every summer I have the opportunity to come out to Southwest America and take advantage of fantastic locations like this. All right, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.